Alright, so Wick and I have been talking here about our top latches. And as you can see with the scraping here and everything, this is the passenger side. Like there should be a stop or something along those lines. Because when you close it, when the top's down like this, it's, you know, it's out. But when we put the top up and we latch it, the handle goes way back in there. And it definitely shouldn't be doing that. So this side, passenger side, looks like this. Let me go show you the driver's side. Here's our driver's side. You can see the latch has really been rubbing inside. And it's also marring up the liner of the top really bad. You can see the fabric built up on the inside of the handle. So we're not fans of how this is working right now. I'm gonna put the top up here and show you guys what we have going here. Ooh. Top go up. And also we have an alignment issue as well. Because we're having trouble getting the P and the V. See, it wants to jog forward and to the driver's side. See how off that is? Watch. See, the P is not in the V. But you can move it and get the P in the V. And then when you go to latch, you gotta pull down. See, and then it goes over center quite a distance.
Yeah, we should put one of those latches off and look at it and see, because there are ones available, but they're varying prices.
Yeah.
But we gotta loosen it up to pull that bow back anyway.
Yeah, and I was just shooting how the pin isn't wanting to go in the top of the frame here.
Yeah, is it going too far forward?
It's going, when it kind of crowns, it juts forward and to the left. It does this.
Okay.
I actually just have a video on this clip. So, let's pop these off, huh?
Yeah, so
Oh my God!
yeah, it should be that tight either.
That was hard. Okay, top go down. Woo. Class. So Discovery. Wick was over on the driver's side and said, "Hey, does your side have a spring on it?" "Yeah, it does." Then he comes over here, he goes, "Oh, where's your cable?" I'm like, "Well, that explains why this side's like this, and the other side's got tension."
And here's the other end of our cable. So that cable.
There it is.
Can you see the end of it? It
Yeah.
broke right off of there.
Yeah, look, there it is.
Oh, it came unswaged. Is that swaged?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I wonder if we could re-swage it.
Where's the end?
Nice to...
The end just goes right here, huh? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that one's
Unscrew
easy. That one's easy to take off.
Yeah, we can unscrew that right now.
Mm-hmm.
Just
See if we can get it back in there.
All right. Wick's gonna be Patrick Swayze again.